What's growing on, gardeners? It's Abundant Gardening here with another quick garden tip. Today I'm going to share with you what you can use instead of grow lights to grow your seeds. So what we're looking at here is just your basic 4-foot LED shop light. Nothing fancy, no purple, no red light. That's only for growing growing flowers and fruit. What your main goal is really just to grow the leaves of your seedlings so you can get them out into the garden. I haven't actually started anything yet, but when they do sprout up, all they need is just a regular white LED shop light. When you look for these lights, you can get anything that's over 3,000 lumens is preferred. Just remember that the higher the lumens, the higher you can have this light from the start of your seedlings. And then you want to look for a Kelvin rating. That's the color of the light. You know, you see daylight and it's kind of like incandescent light, but you want at least 4,000 Kelvin or as close to daylight as you can get, which is 6,500. But that is one way just to save a ton of money. I just got this one here at not Harbor Freight, but Walmart for $9. And this is a 3200 Hyper Tough 4-foot LED shop light. If you are doing a seed starting setup like this, it does come with hooks and chains and S-hooks on both sides, which is really nice. If your light doesn't happen to come with one of those, make sure it does have mounting holes. As you can see there, it does. And you can always purchase a chain and some hooks for real cheap at like Lowe's or Home Depot. Walmart might even have those. So that's just a quick tip today to share with you, just to save you a ton of money, especially if you're doing like 4 or 5 rows of these. I'm only doing one right now at the moment, but as you scale up, this will save you a ton of money. And this is all you really need. You don't need to get anything complicated, and you don't need to get anything over the top. I hope you like this video, get something out of it as well. If you want to see some more tips on how to use these grow lights, stay tuned. I'll make another video about that, and also about my seed starting journey and updates on my overwintering plants. Please be sure to subscribe.